everybody.
Today is Monday.
Monday.
Today is brought to you by Monday. No.
It is Monday.
Today
And the letter of the day is
Monday.
hi. It's Monday.
How many times are we going to...
Because you might want a different intro.
But they're all the same. Where are we?
We're in Ipswich.
We were in Toowong, but we're heading for Brisbane.
We are heading for Archerfield. Da-da-da-da. We decided that today we need to have a day off. It's Monday. Remember the old days where you'd have like a whole street worth of houses would have balls on their roof, or
Our thing was we lived on a main street, so there wasn't much playing in the street like.
yeah.
But I remember at after school camp, the best thing ever, on the lower awning where everyone played for recess, all the balls would end up on that roof. A groundsman or whatever you call him, and he got all the
Groundskeeper
balls,
Willie.
throwing them all off the roof. And became,
Slazenger tennis balls, mate.
nah, you know what came around when I was young? Those full rubber ones. They were so good for playing handball.
Can you imagine having a handball tournament at Archerfield VP? But all like all my age, like 30, you know, 35, they'd totally be into
Yeah,
it.
all of you still think you got the energy. You'd be there after one game like, oh, I'm out.
But like a tournament. Don't you
Handball
think?
used to be the best. So you a
Baller,
handball
man.
kid or not?
Yeah, used to slay a handball in school. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags and all the sheets. Have you seen me? I'm the pinnacle of domestic goddess. I look like that lady on the wall up there. This is the office for the morning. Cat 140M grader oversized. I have the camera set up here, but you can't really see out the front. I might turn it, but it's on a massive lean because it's got a flat tire on the rear. Hate driving these things when they got flat tires and stuff, because they just want to creep to one side, which is just crap, you know. So let's see if I can't.
Hey, let's back when you're good to go.
So let's figure out how to turn this around. You can see the tires a little bit in the mirror. Okay, so we're going to raise the blade enough so that when I come down, I'm going to lift the back.
Sit up a little bit more, you got 180. Yeah, be good. Front wheel's already turned, so you got to turn towards the driver a little bit.
Okay. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Super sensitive, these things. So brakes off.
Yep, keep going on that. Turn that a little bit more towards the driver. Back. Yeah, okay, go on out for a minute. Alright, stop, straighten it out. Yep, keep going.
So many bloody controls. I've got to make sure the blade's up, make sure it doesn't run into the friggin' tires or nothing.
Okay, bring it back towards the passenger a bit more. Yep, keep going. So stop for a second before you go down, let me check you.
She's the best. best co-pilot ever. You can see her in the mirror.
Back, just so it's towards the passenger side as you go down. Good, you're good, keep going. You're good. Yep, you're on the ground.
I'll be honest with you, I reckon this is the best part of the job. And because it's like road equipment, you kind of got like a little bit of, you just got to try not to run into the, trying to go down gears, guys. Hopefully you can see the controls. So let's go to neutral for a minute. Brake, handbrake. This is not a tell-all, but I thought, I guess you guys would like it. Hopefully it's not too close. All right, clutch, brake. And when I stalled it earlier, it's because I had my foot on the brake, it was in gear and it just didn't like it. And then revs, or accelerator, right? So left gear stick is like trip out. So that controls the wheels, the direction it's going. Up and down is for the gears. There, you won't be able to see it too good. What's forward? Okay, all right, too many controls. Left is like left and right camber of the tires, so I assume that's when you're driving on a grade. Try and put that normal. Left and right, like rotating the whole stick, is the two rears, so rear steer, and then down and up controls the angle of the blade down and up. And then also there's a, I don't know if that's a lock for the blade, but on the right hand side you control the angle of the blade curvature, so I guess the pitch of it, how much it's digging in the ground, up and down of the blade on the right side, because it's got two up and down here. And what does that control? That controls the whole turning of the blade, the right hand like this. So I'm just gonna, that's the brake, handbrake off, reverse, gear stick to the left. I'm just going to tuck it in along the fence because that's what was asked of me. And I reckon that's neutral, that's brake on again. Brakes are on. I'm going to put the blade down just enough so it's not touching the bloody floor, because you might get a little bit cranky. And I think that's it. I think we're done. Off. Oop, not that one. That one. There's like, yeah, this is the most controls I've ever been a part of. Well, that was fun. Let's go back to Kira, hey? Unlock it. Yeah, so this is the machine. It's bloody beautiful. Now, usually Kira is, look at that, so much fun. That's us done, Nug. Okay. Oh shit, almost fell out the truck. Sunday the 4th of October at 2:24 p.m. on this beautiful day. Back to the traffic report. Sydney traffic!
It's a public holiday and we're travelling on the Pacific Highway again because we don't fly. Technically it's not even a public holiday yet.
You know the worst part?
It's daylight saving.
It's 34 fucking degrees.
Oh.
Hey, what does it mean? Does this stay later.
It's going to be lighter later.
Oh, yes. Do I like that? No. I like it when it gets darker. What time does the sun come up in the morning now?
An hour later, but there's more sunlight in the day slowly to it.
Oh, why didn't I think of that? What time does the sun come up? An hour later. How stupid am I?
Well, the sun doesn't change when it comes up. We
So it's
just
got a
say that it's an hour later.
So it's got a 6 a.m.
The sun's not there like, oh, Australia's on hold, just give me a minute.
So Queensland's an hour behind.
So we have to sleep in.
Yes. Do we? No, there's some benefit to it. I remember from last time, there's a benefit.
If we're in Queensland and the pickups in Queensland, we get an extra hour. But if we're heading back to Sydney, we've got to wake up early. An hour.
No, we still have to run off New South Wales time.
No, but I mean...
Oh, so hang on, I know how it works now. If our delivery is at 6... If our delivery is at 6 a.m.
it's actually 7.
But it doesn't matter for us because our deliveries are whatever.
Seriously, that little bike is so cute.
Cute.
It doesn't even look like a child that would be able to get on that bike should not even be able to walk yet.
That's why it's got training wheels. That'd be a bike for a 45-year-old.
This kid can't walk yet, let's give them wheels.
So, I was speaking to a friend the other day, right, about her kid. And she's like, oh, she's one, blah, blah. I'm like, oh, how many words can she say? It's like, she can't talk.
They only learn that when they're like 2 or something. Two, they're still in nappies, I'm pretty sure. Like, it's grand.
What?
Yeah, 2 is like granted they're still in nappies. Look at Layla.
Okay.
Layla's 2.
Okay, I've had little brothers and sisters, right? Maybe I'm walked and thought, I swear.
Layla's 2. 1, they can start like holding their own head up and they actually get some fun toys because like
Oh my
they can
God.
actually do stuff at once. Because as a auntie, that's all you that's all I need to know. Which toy is the fun toy at that age? 1's the age, you know that the pop-up toy and you click it and the little bunny pops up or whatever and you turn it and then the little frog pops up and then you press the other button and the monkey pops
I
up.
do know this.
At 2, the toys start to begin to talk back to you, but not like as like Chucky, like as in like, this is red, and like you start to like get maybe 1 or 2 words out of them, like.
Actually, what's his other kid's name?
Lacey. Oh wait.
Oh,
I was getting confused.
Kira.
Lacey.
Hang on, Cut? Okay, we are the worst adopted aunt and uncle in the world. Yes, we'll provide toys, noisy toys, all the rest of it. Layla's the older one. Didn't we just have a dumb moment? Lacey is the younger one.
Is 2. And I'm
Sorry, Rocco.
Layla then it must be like 6 or so.
No, she'd be 7, wouldn't she?
6, 7. I say she's got it
No,
together.
she's at least 7.
Yeah, but she got her life together. She knows things now.
And she's got that attitude.
But
She's
like,
got to be 7, going on to 8. Like, when do they walk? Do they walk after they start talking?
No, 1 or 2 or so. Because Lacey could walk and that before she could walk. I just base everything on her.
Oh.
She's like this eggshell child. Because I remember me saying when we were going to buy Lacey chocolate, and I said, let's not buy her chocolate because I don't know if she has teeth yet. I don't know when they get teeth. I think that's part of the 2-year-old thing, that terrible fuse thing.
Oh, yeah.
It was...
You can undo this too. I can do this.
No, because you don't need it. Oh.
Yes. Nugget. This is what Friday night should be.
With your girlfriend.
Huh?
With your girlfriend.
Imagine if we fell. It would be sad.
Say that. Where's the...
It's bolted here to the chassis, and then it goes up and it's bolted there. You need to stop. You need to undo that one.
No, because we're taking this whole piece out like that because they don't come out.
They do. They come out from the other side.
Yeah, but we can't do that. We're lifting it off this one piece, so I'm only undoing it here and leaving that connected to that.
Well, why are you such a smart girl?
Because
you going?
Wow.
Ow, I'm cramping. I'm not built for exercise. Why am I even taking that off? I've just done. You don't need to undo these. You don't need to undo these. I realised. A lot of people. Oh. The splits and it was blind. A lot of people don't consider the customer. Hey, they don't save bolts. But not Jake and Kira. Undo. Take out one, leave it on the end, and that's it.
Take off both the wings.
And then take off even that bracket. Oh no, not that bracket. Just don't take off the ones here. Don't loosen these. I'll come and help you with them because it's going to be very heavy.
Yeah, but I'm saying, do you want me to loosen them before that?
No.
Okay.
No. Just that's there for a safety, so it doesn't twist and break that. Do you want the camera?
I've got to get down for you to get down.
Okay. Well, that's our Friday night. Sometimes the access is no good. Parkour. I love this golf.
Just, it's quiet in the truck. I'm editing with my headphones on, and all I hear is Jake scream at the top of his lungs.
Woo! What happened? You want to know what happened? I've been waiting for months. It's finally tipped over 400,000 Ks of a